Today is the 40th anniversary of Morrison's death. What is it about Jim Morrison and the Doors that inspired you so much so that you started your own band and continued their legacy?
Well, I think Jim Morrison and the Doors are timeless in every case. It's in music and lyrics. It's old people and new people gathering in front of the stage, have all their own fun. And I was interested in Doors and Jim Morrison since my youth. And I had my first, not really tribute band, but my first Doors band in the age at 14. Then I made my own stuff, and now in 2001 I started the Doors Experience, and since 10 years we're touring through Middle East and Asia. I hope with much success. People show us that they like it, and as long as we like it and the people, we will continue.
The Doors Experience has a reputation of being one of the best tribute bands in Europe. What are the techniques that you use to recreate the image and the sound of the Doors?
Well, it's very simple. We use not the original instruments, especially the keyboards, but we use the original sound samples. We use old drums. We try to recreate the old 60s sound, the old good handmade sound, and my voice does the rest. So it must sound like 60s, and the challenge is to put the people in the feeling of the 60s and to recreate the mystic of the Doors sound.
You've played in Slovenia a couple of times before. Do you think that the Slovenians appreciate the music of the Doors? What do you think about the responses that you witnessed on these concerts in Slovenia?
Well, I have a very good opinion about Slovenia and the Doors fans. They are very young. I think it's one of the most young people we have, most young fans. And I think there are many young people who listen and really understand what's behind the Doors and Jim Morrison's lyrics. So I have a very good response here, and we always like to play here.